I'm going to show you 3 ways to play your G7 chord. Here it goes. Hey guitarists, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials, and in this lesson I'm going to show you 3 ways to play the G7 chord in open position. So let's start with the makeup of the G7 chord, or the G dominant 7th chord. You have 4 notes. You have the root, which is G, the 3rd, which is B, the 5th, which is D, and the flat 7th, which is F. All right, so we're going to do 3 different ways in open position. So the first way I would learn a G7 chord, and the easiest way, is just by taking your first finger and putting it on the F note, which is 1st fret, 1st string. And you only strum 4 strings, from the 4th string to the 1st. Very easy, that gets you started. The second way, we're going to keep that finger down, but we're going to add our second finger to 2nd fret, 5th string, and we're going to add our 3rd finger to 3rd fret, 6th string. And then we're going to strum all 6 strings. This, a lot of times in songs, comes from a C chord. You have a C chord, and then it goes to G7. Same shape. You just take the C chord, move fingers 3 and 2, technically down a string, and you move your first finger technically up a string. And the third way is where we put our second finger on 2nd fret, 5th string, 3rd finger on 3rd fret, 4th string, and 4th finger on 3rd fret, 2nd string. And we strum strings 5 to 2. This one's not as common. You could also do it with fingers 1, 2, 3 if that's easier. So those are 3 ways that I showed you in this lesson. Of course, there's many more ways to play G7, a lot of bar chord shapes as well. Feel free to check out the link in the description where you can download my free chord charts as well as scale and exercise charts. Also a reminder, if you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next lesson.